Good morning, children. Already you learnt in the previous class how this Krishna Deva Raya was feeling very hot in his court, and what did the court priest say? Court priest said that in the garden early morning and in the evening there will be cool air as well as very good fragrant air. Why don't we bring that into the court, isn't it? And then what did Krishna Deva Raya do? He made an announcement that if anybody brings that cool air into the court, they will be awarded with 1000 gold coins, isn't it? So let us see what happens next. Now I am going to read it. सभी दरबारी सिर झुकाकर सोचने लगे कि यह कार्य तो असंभव है, इसे कोई नहीं कर सकता। भला हवा भी कोई वस्त्र है कि जिसे जहां चाहा उठाकर रख लिया जाए। दूसरे दिन जब दरबारी सभा में आए तो सभी उत्सुकता से एक दूसरे की ओर देखने लगे कि शायद कोई हवा लाया हो। उनके चेहरे देखकर महाराज कृष्णदेव राय निराशा होकर बोले, लगता है आप में से कोई भी हमारी इच्छा पूरी नहीं कर पाया। तभी तेनालीराम अपने स्थान से उठकर बोले, महाराज, मेरे होते आपको निराशा होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। मैं आपके लिए बगीचे की शीतल और सुगंधित हवा कैद करके ले आया हूँ। उनकी बात सुनकर महाराज सहित सभी दरबारी चौंक पड़े। महाराज ने पूछा, कहाँ है हवा? उसे तुरंत छोड़ो तेनालीराम। तेनालीराम को आज्ञा मिलने की देर थी। उन्होंने बाहर खड़े 5 सेवकों को फौरन भीतर बुलाया और महाराज के चारों ओर खड़ा कर दिया। उनके हाथों में इत्र, जल आदि में भीगे हुए चमेली और गुलाब के फूलों से बने बड़े बड़े पंखे थे। सभी दरबारी सिर झुकाकर सोचने लगे कि यह कार्य तो असंभव है। So everybody were very deep in thinking and they thought this is not possible at all. It is impossible to bring air to the court. Can anybody hold the air and bring it to court? It's not possible, isn't it? So everybody thought it is impossible. We cannot bring the air which is present, that is cool air and the fragrant air from the garden to the court. It is not possible for anybody. Everybody started thinking like that. The court people. इसे कोई नहीं कर सकता. So nobody can do that. Everybody was thinking that nobody can do it. भला हवा भी कोई वस्त्र है कि जिसे जहाँ चाहा उठाकर रख लिया जाए? Is it possible to hold the air and bring that air into the court? It is not at all possible. So everybody again started going on thinking about it. दूसरे दिन जब दरबारी सभा में आए तो सभी उत्सुकता से एक दूसरे की ओर देखने लगे कि शायद कोई हवा लाया हो। So next day what happened? Everybody came to the court. All the courtiers came to the court and everybody started looking at each other. Is there anybody who has brought that air into the court? Everybody started looking at each other very anxiously. Utsukata means very anxiously, curiously they were looking at each other. उनके चेहरे देखकर महाराज कृष्णदेव राय निराशा होकर बोले, लगता है आप में से कोई भी हमारी इच्छा पूरी नहीं कर पाया। So when he started looking at the faces of everybody, he understood that nobody was able to bring that air into the court, cool air into the court. So he said, okay, so nobody was very much interested to bring that, and nobody can fulfill my desire. What was my desire? What was my wish? To get the cool air into the court, isn't it? So you are not able to do that. You are not able to fulfill my desire, to fulfill my wish. So he told, Krishnadeva Raya told to all the courtiers. तभी तेनालीराम अपने स्थान से उठकर बोले, महाराज, मेरे होते आपको निराशा होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। So immediately what did Tenali Rama do? Tenali Rama just stood up from his seat. He stood on there and he said, what king? So you are thinking that you are not able to fulfill your desire? No. When I am there, it is not at all possible. I can fulfill your wish, you don't feel bad, I will do that, he said. आवश्यकता नहीं है, मैं आपके लिए बगीचे की शीतल और सुगंधित हवा केक करके ले आया हूँ. So he said, don't feel bad. Oh sir, I have brought the air to you. The whatever the air you wanted, that air I have already brought it to you from the garden. उनकी बात सुनकर महाराज सहित सभी दरबारी चौंक पड़े. So when everybody heard that Tenali has brought the air from the garden to the court, everybody were surprised, including the king. Everybody was surprised to see at Tenali and to listen to his words. महाराज ने पूछा, कहाँ है हवा? So Maharaj asked, the king asked, where is this air? उसे तुरंत छोड़ो तेनालीराम, come on, leave it. So just leave it inside the court. Immediately, who said? This Maharaja Krishnadevaraya told Tenali, please let that air come into the court. तेनालीराम को आज्ञा मिलने की देर थी. So he was just waiting for the order of the king. उन्होंने बाहर खड़े 5 सेवकों को फौरन भीतर बुलाया और महाराज के चारों ओर खड़ा कर दिया. So what happened? He was just waiting for the order of Krishnadevaraya. So immediately when Krishnadevaraya said, "Do you get that air into the court?" Immediately what did Tenali Rama do? Tenali Rama called all the 5 servants. He had made 5 servants to stay outside the court. Immediately what he did? He called all those 5 servants into the court and made them to just stand around Krishnadevaraya. They all the 5 were standing around Krishnadevaraya. उनके हाथों में इत्र, जल आदि में भीगे हुए चमेली और गुलाब के फूलों से बने बड़े-बड़े पंखे थे. So what happened? Everybody could see in all these 5 members' hands what are they? Perfumed. It means here it is perfumed, scent or perfumed. Perfumed. Jal means water. It was dipped in water. में भीगे हुए चमेली means what? This one what I call champak flower, sampige. That as well as gulab means rose. So they could see this jasmine and rose. All good flowered fragrance flowers. Scent was there. It was dipped that fan. There was big fan. That fan was dipped in scent, perfume, as well as the flowers fragrance was there, and it was filled with water. That means it was dipped in water. So what happens when you just blow it? What happens? Cool air will start coming, isn't it? If it is dipped in water, So he just made that plan, and he has brought all these 5 members who had big fans in their hands, and all the fans were dipped in water as well as the perfume of jasmine, then this champak, then what is that? Gulab means rose. All this fragrance was there. Okay, so they were all made to stand around Maharaja, and he said to blow that fan. So they started blowing the fan. See, उनके हाथों में इत्र means perfumed or scented. जल means water. आदि में भीगे हुए चमेली और गुलाब के फूलों से बने बड़े-बड़े पंखे थे. So they had big fans in their hands. So what happened next? So what happened? Tenali Ram का इशारा पाते ही वे महाराज को पंखे जलने लगे. So when they got the signal from Tenali Rama, the servants, when they got the signal from Tenali Rama, what did they do? They started blowing the fan. So you can see here. They started blowing the fan just in front of this Maharaja Krishnadevaraya. थोड़ी ही देर में पूरा दरबार महकने लगा. So what happened? When they went on blowing like that, what happens? Full fragrance started distributing into the court. And what happens? Because they were blowing, that wind, air was also filled into the court. It was cool as well as good fragrance was coming into the court. थोड़ी ही देर में पूरा दरबार महकने लगा. That means it started getting good smell there. बड़े-बड़े पंखों की हवा होते ही महाराज को गर्मी से सेहत मिली और उन्हें आनंद आने लगा. So when they started blowing all that now, cool air also he started getting, good smell also he started getting. He was feeling very happy. Krishnadeva felt very happy. तेनाली रामा की बुद्धि की प्रशंसा करते हुए महाराज बोले, तेनाली राम तुम हमारी इच्छा पूरी करने में देर नहीं करते. So what he said? So Tenali Rama, always you fulfill my wishes. You never delay in whatever I ask. So always you fulfill my wishes. I am very happy with you. Maharaja told to Tenali Rama, तुम हमारी इच्छा पूरी करने में देर नहीं करते. आज हम तुम्हें 1000 नहीं 5000 स्वर्ण मुद्राएं इनाम में देने की घोषणा करते हैं. So what he said? See, I am very happy with you. I am feeling so happy today and I am feeling very cool today. So instead of giving you 1000 gold coins, I am going to give you 5000 gold coins. घोषणा करते हैं. तथा व्यवस्था मंत्री को आदेश दिया जाता है कि प्रतिदिन दरबार में ऐसी ही हवा की व्यवस्था की जाए. And I am going to tell the maintenance minister that every day this type of air has to be filled in the court. So every day it is his duty to take care of this good air, cool air to fill into the court. सभी दरबारियों ने तेनालीराम के सम्मान में खूब तालियां बजाई. So what happened? Everybody who were gathered there, the courtiers who gathered there in the court of Krishnadeva Raya, what did they do? They all started applauding him. They all started clapping for the award what he got. Instead of getting 1000 gold coins, how much he got? He got 5000 gold coins, isn't it? So everybody felt very happy because they were also getting cool air, you know. So they were also very happy and everybody applauded on the odd. The work what is done by Tenali Rama. Did you understand? So people should be very clever and they should face the situation, whatever comes. So once again I am going to read it. तेनाली रामा का इशारा पाते ही वे महाराज को पंखे जलने लगे. थोड़ी ही देर में पूरा दरबार महकने लगा. बड़े बड़े पंखों की हवा होते ही महाराज को गर्मी से राहत मिली और उन्हें आनंद आने लगा. तेनालीराम की बुद्धि की प्रशंसा करते हुए महाराज बोले, तेनालीराम तुम हमारी इच्छा पूरी करने में देर नहीं करते. आज हम तुम्हें 1000 नहीं 5000 स्वर्ण मुद्राएं इनाम में देने की घोषणा करते हैं. तथा व्यवस्था मंत्री को आदेश दिया जाता है कि प्रतिदिन दरबार में ऐसी ही हवा की व्यवस्था की जाए. सभी दरबारियों ने तेनालीराम के सम्मान में खूब तालियां बजाई. So children, even you should also face the situations and act according to the situation. Did you understand? So let me stop it here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.